Vision. Established in 1973, the Calabayan Educational Foundation Incorporated envisions itself as a premier institution of learning in the Calabarzon region and beyond for its exemplary instruction, research-driven programs, and sustainable community extension services, vital to the health of prosperity and peace in society. Mission. It is the Malayan Educational Foundation Incorporated's vision to develop holistic, self-fulfilling, and productive citizens, actively engaged in national and international development, imbued with the values of honor, scholarship, service, deeply committed to raising the quality of man's life, pursuing a legacy of academic excellence via innovative instructions, interactive technology, competent administrators, faculty, and staff, steadily aims to share in building a just, stable, and humane society. Core values. Every citizen pledges to lead a life founded on honor, professionalism, personal integrity, moral sensitivity, and national pride.
Scholarship.
Critical thinking, academic excellence, discipline, passion for intellectual inquiry, service, compassion, civic consciousness, sectoral immersion, social conscience.